Hey, hello everyone. In this video, we are gonna see how to generate Playwright test with the help of Playwright CodeGen in VS Code. As I told in my previous video, this is a very important feature in Playwright CodeGen. With the help of this only, recording takes place. So if you want to know about what is Playwright CodeGen is, it is a powerful tool that will allow us to record our interactions with the web page. I mean, whatever we do in the web page, that interactions we can record, and with the help of CodeGen, we can generate the Playwright test scripts, right? So how we can run CodeGen is it can be run only via terminal. So in the terminal, we can give this command npx playwright CodeGen. Then it will open two windows. I mean, while running the CodeGen command, what will happen is two windows will open. One the browser window where we can interact, and another one is a Playwright Inspector window where we can see the generated code. I mean, we can see the code in different languages also. We'll see that later. And with the Playwright Inspector window, we can pick the right locators also. I mean, it is very helpful to find the locators also. And this URL part is optional. We can, I mean, while running the command in the terminal, we can give the URL, or without giving the URL also, it will work. Right, let's see this in action. So first we need to open the terminal. I'm opening the new terminal. In that I'm gonna give the command npx playwright CodeGen. Okay, when you hit enter, as you can see, there are two windows opened. One is browser window and another one is Playwright Inspector window. Now let me close it for now, and I'm gonna do this again with URL npx. Let me clear this glacial side. Okay, I'm gonna open the terminal again. So I'm gonna give the command with the URL. So what's the command? Npx playwright CodeGen. Then this is my URL. https:// playwright.dev. Now what will happen is when we click enter, so you can see right that Playwright dev URL is already opened by Playwright, and we have the Playwright Inspector window also. Okay, by default when we run this command, it will be in the recording mode, right? So what and all we can see is, so we can see the browser window as I give the URL that is open by default, and it will be in the recording mode, right? So we can see the recording toolbar also, and we have the Playwright Inspector. So in the Playwright Inspector also recording toolbar will be available, and also as I said, it is very useful to inspect the locator, so we can see the locators also. Other than that, we can copy the code from here. I mean, whatever the code which is generated, right, we cannot edit it here, but we can copy paste and run it from the Playwright. Okay, now let me quickly do some steps. So first I'm gonna click get started, then I'm gonna click system requirements, gonna click system requirements again, and I'm gonna click generate test with CodeGen, and I'm gonna asset how to record a test, whether that is available or not. Okay, now you can see whatever interactions we did with the web, right, that is recorded here, and we can see the test in Playwright Inspector. So we went to playwright.dev, then we clicked on get started, and then we moved to clicked on system requirements, then we clicked on the link generate test, right? Finally we verified that how to record a test link is available or not. Okay, and if you want to inspect any other link also, we can do it. Right now I try to inspect how to generate locators, so that is available here. We can copy paste and we can use it for I mean, while writing Playwright test also, this is very useful. Now, another important feature is we have this target dropdown. So, with this target dropdown, by default is Node.js test runner. I mean, it will create the test in JavaScript. That is how I configured. But if you want to change it to a PyTest, you can change. I mean, it can generate the test in whatever language we desire for. See, this is a PyTest. And if you want to generate in a JUnit also, that is possible. So whatever the options are available here, right? We can generate the test in this way. This is a cool feature of CodeGen. We can generate a test and we can generate a test in a language that we want. Okay. I'm looking for Node.js test only. Okay. Now what I can do is I generated a test. I can copy the test. Okay. And whenever you close the browser, this Playwright Inspector also will get closed. Okay. I closed the browser, so Playwright Inspector also is closed, but I copied the test which I have recorded using CodeGen. What I'm going to do is, in my existing one of the test, I'm going to paste it. Okay, as you can see, I just paste the test what I have. It also includes import statement. I don't need this. And let me change the test name also. Okay, now my test is ready. If you can see, the system requirements link is two times. I don't need that, so I can just remove it, or I'm commenting it for now. Okay, so the test is already there which I recorded previously. Let me delete that. Okay, now our test is ready. Let's run and check. So I'm running the test now. So what will happen is it will open playwright.dev, and whatever the steps I have done, right? I mean, whatever the interactions you have done, that is fast. So this is how we can generate. I mean, as you can see, this is how we can generate a playwright test very easily with the help of CodeGen. So as we see in the previous video, this record new record cursor is very helpful, and also whatever is working behind it, right? The CodeGen, we can do it via terminal. That is also very helpful. These two are very important feature in Playwright, because we don't need to write the test. We don't need to write the test line by line. We can generate the test with the help of these inbuilt features. Make sure to learn this before deep dive into Playwright. Hope it is useful. Thanks.